Marvel Contest of Champion promo codes and new promo code list. Hey summoners, are you ready to unlock some incredible reward in Marvel Contest of Champions? So stick around because I have got the latest and the greatest promo codes, and this code will give you an edge in the game with some fantastic goodies. So without further ado, let's get started. So first up, let's talk about what promo codes are in MCOC. These are special codes that Kawam releases occasionally and they can unlock a variety of rewards. Everything from units and crystal to energy refills and exclusive items. They are free to use and a great way to get some extra perks in the game. Now let's get to the code. Now let's head to the website that provides codes for Marvel Contest of Champions. I will provide the website link in the description, so stick around with me in this video. Currently, there are some few promo codes in the circulation, and as you can see, there are some active codes and expire codes. But there are some few things that you will need to know to redeem the code. First off, you need to create a Kavam account linked in your game account. This is fairly simple to do. Just head over to the settings and then simply create a Kavam account and set up with an email and password. And once you have done that, you can simply log in your Kavam account in the official game shop page, and you can simply scroll down to the bottom of that page where it reads promo codes. Simply type in your code and then hit apply code button. And with that, you will be able to receive exciting gifts and all with the promo codes. And that's it for today. I hope these promo codes help you on your journey to become an ultimate champion. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.